the stars. Ooh, I'm down for you. Shining on my heart, so you could see the truth. That is love I have inside. It's everything it seems. But for now I find it's only in my dreams I can change the world.
Everybody sing.
I'll be the sunlight in your universe. You take my love to really something good. Baby, if I could change the world. If I could be a king, even for a day, I'd take you once my queen. I have no other way. And our love is keep the we have made. You and me are friends, reaching for a day. If I can change the
Oy,
world,
tingin. Cellphone ka na cellphone.
I will be the
Hello, birthday
sunlight
girl.
in your universe.
Birthday girl.
You will take my love and stream it something good. Baby, if I could change the world. Baby, if I could change the world. I could change the world. I will be the sunlight in your universe. You take my love to really something good. Baby, if I could change the world. Baby, if I could change the world. Baby, if I could change the world.
Well, I would do my homa, dancing to my coma. To such a welcome to my mama, dancing to my homa. Go! Hindi pa nakuha. Go! Maganda dito tunuguan ng kulong. Nasa recording room.
Lose my mind. I was born away, so maybe you can never forget. My mama said I'm crazy, my baby said I'm crazy. Over shore, boys, you know I don't, but I don't boy, guess all the line.
Everybody sing. Living up to the time.
Living up to the time. Set my watch back, because you know that I've been doing it. Living up to the time.
Okay na. So, happy
Naka-XC
Meron na kay Siyo.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday kanta ng Daddy. Daddy Hernan.
Ano yan?
Maliga.
Yang maligang diba?
They call me the breeze. I keep blowing down the road.
Kapag nakita ko na lang kung si Eric Guillermo, message ko na lang sa inyo lahat. Ikita ko sa inyo.
Naintrigas.
Siya naman, siya kasi yung una ko naging kaibigan. Gawa nga nung kasama siya ko sa nung nga telegon, na kami, kilala rin. Benjamin Laban.
Tignan mo. Ano nga yan eh? Yan nga nag-ano sa akin. Yan yung nag-invite sa akin sa ano. Kasi nag-share si Ate Jun na nag-invite sa akin sa Ate Jun.
Wala ate, hindi mo na makita.
Hindi ko makita eh. Nakaano siya, parang
Di ba ate siya naman sobrang pagkakain? Nung
COVID sa inyo, singer din niya. Kilala mo?
hindi. Yung tapos na activity lang mo.
Kaya nga, hindi nga ako marunong ito.
Di ba yung ano, ikaw nag-share sa akin sa Facebook, sabi mo sa akin. Sa sabi pa, para malibang nung may COVID. Ikaw nag-share sa akin.
Ayan yung mga nilive mo lahat-lahat.
Ah, gano'n.
I got that green light, baby.
Nakaganon, commercial break, ganon, telephone.
I might go out to California, maybe Georgia, like stay home.
Ayan, ang mga singers ko ng sili.
They call me the breeze. I keep going down the road.
So, kahapon siguro siya.
They call me the breeze. I keep blowing down the road.
May lalabas niya yesterday, di ba? Ito yung mga ginawa mo ngayong araw na.
I might not go to California.
Sa babae,
Yung mga ano, tama pa, birthday.